Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is frexp. So this function is mainly used to convert or to break down the number or the passed parameter into two parts. First one is the fraction and second one is the exponent. So whenever you want to break down any parameter into two portion, fraction or exponent, in that case you can utilize this frexp function. Clear? And the output which it will return would be tuple itself. Clear? So this function comes with a module, math module. So first of all, we need to import this module. So on line number 7, I am importing this. So just write import math, and then below to this, I have noted down some of the scenarios you can see here. So one by one, we will discuss each and every scenario with their output. So let's focus on the first scenario. So in first scenario, I'm using one variable result to store the retrieved output from this function, and the function is math.frexp, and the value that I am providing to is this function is 10.0. So what it will do, it will break down this number into two portions. First one would be the fraction and second one would be the exponent. So let me show you the output. For that, I'm dragging up my terminal, and here I will write python space session 70.py, session 70.py. So if I hit enter, it print multiple output. So for time being, you can focus on the first one. Here what we are getting output as 0.625 and 4. So 0.625 is the fraction and 4 is the exponent. Clear? Now focus on the second scenario. Here we are passing the values in the same way, but the only difference is that this time we are providing the negative value. So yes, we can also provide the negative value, and here you can see the output it is returning is minus 0.625 and the exponent is 2. Clear? Now look at the third scenario. On third scenario, what we are doing, we are passing the value as 0. So when we pass 0 for this, then it will calculate the fraction as 0.0 and exponent as 0. Here you can see. Okay, now we will discuss over the fourth scenario. In fourth scenario, we are trying to pass the value which is in decimal format. So you can see 12345.6789. So yes, we can calculate the fraction and exponent for the decimal as well, and this is the equivalent fraction and this is the equivalent exponent of the given number. Okay, now look at the fifth scenario. Here we are passing the value as 0.125. So the equivalent fraction for 0.125 is 0.5 and minus 2. Alright, now look at the sixth scenario. Here we are passing the value as 0.6. So when we break down 0.6 into two portions, where first portion will represent the fraction and second portion is representing the exponent. So the output would come like this, 0.6 and 0. And in the last scenario, we are passing 3 decimal digit, which is 0.001. So the equivalent value we are getting here is it's not 10, it's minus 9. Okay, so it will return minus 9, 0.512 and minus 9. So basically what it is doing, this function is doing the breakdown of the the passed number into two portions. First one is the fraction and second one is the exponent. And it can accept negative value, it can accept decimal value, it can accept 0, and accordingly it will return the output. So I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.